Outstanding design defines the 2013 Nissan Murano. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.